Don't tell them.
What?
Slippers.
You're down here barefoot? He came down here barefoot.
No, you did not.
You're so loud. It's breakfast.
I don't know if I've already said this, but I am wearing less and less makeup every day because we are running out of time. And the humidity is kind of getting to me, so I'm just wearing less and less. Oh, so we have to wear like masks here way more frequently than I'm used to in the States. A, because I hardly go out, and B, we're out all day here. And so I've been getting a lot of like mask acne, so I have like a pimple here, pimple coming in here, and I think I have another one here. I'm just having a lot of pimples and like skin issues here, like dry skin here, but it's okay. I don't really mind it too much. Everybody on the bus is napping, but when I'm awake, I can't go back to sleep.
Right now, it smells like boiled egg. Like it's very sulfury, the air. Oh, look at that, it's so crazy. 9 days without a computer ain't so bad. We're up in the mountains. It's absolutely beautiful, actually. Despite the rain and the cloud, it smells so much like a boiled egg because of the sulfur. But it's still really pretty. I liked it. I love nature. Nature's nice.
So proud. I am so proud. They're so good.
What's so good?
His pants.
His pants are really cool.
I love those.
They look so good, John.
Thank you.
This is the egg that gives you 7 years.
Yeah, I'm kind of ripping off like months of our lives.
Yeah, she's just kind of chipping away the days, Yvonne.
My bad.
Yeah, it's like 6.5.
This egg is actually really good.
Yeah, it's actually
But we don't know
delicious.
what makes it black.
They're
baking it. Yummy.
It is a good egg.
It's very good.
It's just egg though. You don't really like egg.
Ma'am, it's a good egg. Don't listen to Jody.
You want your full 7 years.
Dude, I already ate one. If I eat another one that's 5 years, that's too long to
Oh my
live.
gosh, it's too we're all gonna get before Vaughn.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie though, this egg makes me really thirsty. Anyone bought a drink?
Why, you don't peel
You didn't even peel the entire thing.
I'm impatient.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
I'm really thirsty now. I have to find a drink.
Hey, whoa. I'm his lawyer. His shoes were stolen first. Oh. He couldn't find his shoes. So his options were to either go barefoot up Sulphur Mountain or take shoes from Pine Hotel.
I have an extra pair of shoes in my suitcase. They're sneakers if you want them.
How big are your feet?
I wear a size 7 in men's. 7.5 in men's. 7 in men's.
He's a size 8.5.
How did you know that?
I'm his lawyer.
About to eat this. It looks like a pebble.
And the world's largest museum contains 120,000 items, 4 billion, 600 million years.
It's a really unique taste. What is that on the inside? It's like chocolate. And then like, is that caramel? What is that? A toffee? And then like a, what is the extra crunch though? Is that like a nut? An almond in the center. No, it was really, it was like a whole meal. John was amazed at how far the chairs could recline. So I took that advice and reclined to mine. And I almost crushed him. It was great.
Reaction speed though.
Yeah, reaction speed. He man spread in time and avoided
lateral. So I was like leaning like this, and I was like, why is my armrest so wobbly? Because my armrest is just like my armrest is
Why is
up
my
here.
armrest so strong and static?
I was like, why is this so wobbly? I just stepped in a puddle. It was very wet and sloshing. It's really bad because I'm really full because of all the snacks we ate. We're at a restaurant now. Look at all the glorious food. That's amazing. That is amazing. It's so good. I think this is the best udon I've ever had. The noodles are perfect texture. It's like perfectly thick and chewy, but doughy. And there's not that much of a bounce back, which I like. Because I don't like it when the noodles are like extra slippery and elasticy. I like it when they have a bit of a bite, like into dough. And that's exactly what these are. Phenomenal. We came up to see Mount Fuji, but the fog is so intense we can't see anything.
I think Mount Fuji's supposed to be here, like above. Maybe it can be photoshopped then. I think it's supposed to be like, but I am unsure. Maybe it's in this direction and it goes. Again, I am unsure, but we are here. Lights in the fog look really cool though, no? Lily has become like our main photographer because her photography skills are insane and her phone is insane, so she's just like taking pictures for everyone. I have now learned I want an Instagram boyfriend, but he has to come with the Samsung Galaxy phone because that's the camera that everyone's using to take pictures and it looks phenomenal. So I need an Instagram boyfriend and he needs to come with the Samsung Galaxy phone. We observed John learning lessons from Jody on how to take better pictures. I am carrying Jody's bag as John tries to get the photo, you know?
Just hanging out.
In the rain?
Just hanging out in the rain,
Just
man.
hanging out in the rain? Oh, what did you buy?
It's really cute. I only bought it because of the packaging.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gara bought this Mount Fuji shaped melon, right? Yummy. The hint of melon is really slight, but I like it.
Rainbows?
I think 6 is a little bit long for me.
Maybe, yeah.
I want to live here for my whole life.
Okay.
Interesting. We were looking at like citizen stuff in the
Oh.
how to do it.
We arrived a lot earlier than our designated train time, so we're waiting here at the station for like 30 more minutes before we ride the really fast bullet train. I'm scared! What the heck? It's so fast! 13E.
You are next to Valkyrie.
John is freaking behind me. I just know it's gonna be awful. No, not neighbor. We're heading to our final destination, which is in Kyoto. I think we arrive in like 30 minutes for this train. We got on the bus, but now the bus is super full. So a lot of us have to stand. We're on our way to the hotel now. We just got into our new hotel room in Kyoto, and it is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's actually just so beautiful. My pimple's getting worse, but it's so beautiful. It's so pretty.
Okay, we just got to our new hotel and it is so cute. Wow, I
on the other side.
The lonely road. Keep it on her.
Okay, okay.
The streets are so much wider here. They're so wide. It's really nice and it's really clean. The walk was super pleasant.
I don't know.
I still don't know.
I don't know either.
I'm not even regretting that we got denied. This place is kind of good.
It's so good.
We ordered yakisoba and okonomiyaki, and the okonomiyaki is so good. The yakisoba is bomb too.
Well, we did order the cold lemon, which is an additional 300 yen because it's just a full-on trip.
It's so good. It was so good. The sauce is amazing.
We came here on the fly and everything is so good.
So it's mozzarella cheese with, I think, tomatoes. No, that's not tomato.
That is definitely the tomato.
I think it is the tomato one.
But there's no cheese on it. That's tomato sauce.
We just finished eating dinner. Now we're gonna walk back to the hotel. But it's so cool how there's so many people like biking and skateboarding, and earlier we saw like a crew of people paired up on a motorcycle and just driving down. It was really cool.